So I'm Reggie Norton with First Line Technology. We're here today to talk about the FastGrab kit. It's a really versatile kit, fits a lot of options. It's got our two core products of FiberTect and Dahlgren Decon. It's got enough FiberTect to do approximately 12 personnel or victims. It's got enough Dahlgren in there to be able to do the responders along with it. It's got applicators, it's got S-cut, so it's really a functional bag. Some of the applications could be for an EMS unit, inside a fire apparatus, ladder truck, engine squad. It's also versatile enough to fit in like an emergency standalone ED or to go into the corrections setting. So it's a really versatile unit. Again, about 12 people can be deconned out of this kit. It's rapidly deployable, doesn't take up much space, and has our long shelf life of 10 years for the products that are covered in it. So if you're interested in those fit your mission, check out the FastGrab.